And as you say, it is remarkable that this is the first time in human history where we've had all the world's contemplative practices and wisdom available to us at the same time as we're beginning to do research on these practices, on these virtues. And it's the first time where we've had an appreciation that the virtues, whether they're love or compassion or wisdom or generosity and altruism, that these are actually not just things that happen to us or we drop into, but they're actually arts, some of the great arts of human existence. And if we contrast, for example, our cultural Hollywood version of love, which is something that happens to if you're with the right person who says the right things, who looks the right ways, as opposed to these traditions that we now have available to us, whose central message is that love is one of the greatest of all human arts, and that there are ways of cultivating love so to deeper and broader and more encompassing and stronger forms than we usually think are possible. Then this gives us a whole nother perspective on what's possible. So this is hopeful, and one of the challenges is to get this kind of information out into the culture, because if we could just shift our cultural understanding of, for example, the nature of love or of ethics, and have people realize that, for example, ethics is not a self-sacrifice, but enlightened self-interest, and the same with all the other virtues, this would be transformative.